Viewers, if you go to share reels on Instagram with someone, you will notice that recent friends not showing on the list, just showing random people. Don't worry, many people are experiencing this issue on Instagram. There is no issue with your account. This is an app glitch. For fixing this problem, first of all, go back to home screen and then go to App Store or Play Store. Now search Instagram. Search for Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps in latest version. After completing update process, go back to home screen and then open Instagram. Now try to share any reels and see problem solved successfully. If still problem remaining, then click on share option. Now share with Instagram. Here you will see all your friends. You can find your friends by searching and you can share reels.